Hi, my name is Dr. Jay Mehta. I am a dental surgeon and a private practitioner in Ahmedabad. I have started working following all the guidelines and the protocols. So, as a dentist, I am wearing an N95 mask. On that, I am wearing a triple ply mask. So, I am getting two elastics on the back of my ears. And after working for 6 hours continuously wearing this mask, I realized that this hurts badly. The traction it gives on the back of the ears is unbelievable. You might get redness, you might get pain, and believe me, it hurts. So I've shot this video to get rid of this problem, and I've shot this video for everyone and for my dental colleagues. I texted one of the oral maxillofacial surgeons, Dr. Setu in Ahmedabad, today evening that this thing hurts. Let us do something for that. And he texted me back, sir, let us find out something. So I was sitting and I came out with a thought. A simple thought. I have not applied any science behind that. It is just a common sense that I have applied. For that, what you need is, a simple comb. Now I've selected this comb which has got longer teeth. It has got wider space between the teeth. Why I selected this comb? Because this was the only comb that I could find, but any comb will solve the purpose. So I'm holding this N95 mask and I'm passing one side of the elastics on that between the teeth, right? And then I'll wear the mask and I'll pass the comb from behind and put my another side of the elastic on the teeth of the comb. So what do I get? I'll turn sideways so that you can get a clear picture now. My ears are free of any traction. You can see, right? So no redness, no traction, no pain, no problems. Well, I have already worn a surgeon's cap so that the dentists like me who operate on the patients can get a clear picture. I can demonstrate easily. Secondly, you might be wondering why I'm wearing this hoodie in this summers. The reason behind that is that we have to wear PPE and work. Now PPE has got a hood, so when there's comb on the back side of my head, even if when I wear a hood on that, there is no problem, right? The comb is not visible, firstly, and secondly the hood also fits properly. Okay, so now let me remove this mask first. So it is that simple. So this is how you get, right? Now no need to select this comb. You can select any comb. Maybe if you feel that this looks funny, you can take a simple hairpin which has got teeth in it. So they are shorter, but anyways it works, right? So you can use this hair pins as well, because if you're not a doctor, if you're not a dentist, and you want to go out in the public and you feel that this will look funny, you can use smaller hair pins as well. I hope this helps everybody around, because this is bad. If you wear for a longer time, for longer hours, it's going to hurt. I hope people start implementing this if it is helpful. Thank you so much.